The project mainly is to provide reliable Wi-Fi to the whole festival, be that through giving traders internet for transactions, the bar's internet for transactions, public Wi-Fi, production Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi for the artists. About a week and a half ago there was no network here. The farms themselves use mobile service and there's fibre at the end of their driveway, which is about a mile long. Their network kind of relies on us getting all the infrastructure in for them to have connectivity during the festival as well. So we're also providing some internet to the farmers to give them the opportunity to be online as well. But the rest of the network is literally just fields for the other 50 weeks of the year, and then we come over for 2 weeks and take over as a festival. The main outcome we're looking to achieve when we first came across TP-Link was a simple, easy to use system. So we need to be able to set this system up fairly quickly, and it's not always myself that's going to be on site to set it up. So we were looking for something that we could use, that we could have full control of the whole network. The Omada software, the controller software that we use, is allowing us to be off-site at a different location, but still be configuring devices that are being installed by installers on the ground. We've in the past used different vendors for switches and access points, but being able to have the topology shown to you and be able to see what is connected where is a massive advantage on a festival site as big as this. One of the main outcomes was to give a full 10 gig backbone. The TP-Link switches that have 4 10 gig fibre ports and lots of 1 gig copper ports with PoE are really ideal for us.
So to provide the Wi-Fi for all of the 15,000 people and the rest of the team, like the vendors, the production team or the management team of the festival, what they have done is done a bandwidth control and also VLAN so that there is a segregation of Wi-Fi SSIDs throughout the entire space. Especially for the festival goers, when they have the free Wi-Fi, we have put them on the hotspot on a portal system, so the bandwidth is being controlled. So over here we have one of our Wi-Fi 6 outdoor access points. Now these access points are specifically designed for outdoor and high density. That's one of the reasons iSpyder, who is the MSP, have chosen this access point for this space for the festival. Because these are Wi-Fi 6, they really have strong antennas. There are about 45 of these access points that cover the high density area of this entire festival.
The biggest thing is obviously staff and the production side of things, making sure that we can still communicate with the outside world with all the bands and all the rest of it. The press is super important because they're getting out content throughout the weekend and they've got quite high data needs as well. So, it's important to get the press, our social media team connected, but also all the artist liaison people as well that, are still organising all the bands' travel and all that sort of stuff. So there's a million things that you need, connectivity for. And then for the punters, they love to be on social media, they love to be telling the world how amazing a time they're having. The massive stress for us guys is losing connectivity. 100% I'd recommend TP-Link to any festivals or any outdoor events out there. It works in a field, and that's what you need basically.
The Omada by TP-Link gives us the full all-in-one solution. We'd be happy to recommend TP-Link Omada to anyone that's looking for a full networking solution.